Welcome everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install your server on Windows step by step. By the end, you'll have your server running locally on your machine. So let's get started. GeoServer requires Java to run, so you can download Java or OpenJDK or Oracle JDK from Adoption. Net, you can click on Windows Installer. And then this will install Java for you, and then you can run it on basic default settings. Once Java is running locally on Yamakini, you can go to the GeoServer org/download page and select the stable version of GeoServer, and then select the Windows installer. This will then download our installer shortly on our machine that you will run later on. Once it's been installed at your location, you can double-click the installer and start following the basic steps over here. Let's select a location where you want to install it, and then also select a location for our JDK path. So I'm going to select where I will install my Java level. After I've selected the location for JDK, I'll click Next and the destination folder I want. I'll click Next. I don't want to create shortcuts, and then I'll click Next. Data directory and the port, if there's not an already in use. So select that. And now, if I can install also, it takes some time and then it will install all the packages. So my setup and installation is completed. I'm going to click Finish and go to the location where it has been installed. Here, I'll go to the bin directory and click on the Start bar. Once you're in this file, the GeoServer will initialize. Do not close this window. It must be open while GeoServer is running. Next, I'll go to this, on your browser. You can enter this link. And you need to mention the port number over here, H0, and then open by GeoServer and then back. Over here, then you will be prompted to log in. And by default, the username is admin and the password is to your server, so you can log in using these credentials. Make sure to change the password later for security purposes. The common issue that you can encounter while a startup is that Java is not found. For that purpose, like I have mentioned earlier, install JDK and Java 2 system path. And then another issue that can take place is that the port 8080 is currently in use by another application. So you can change port number when in the installation setup and change it to any other 8081 or any other one which you like, and then the user would run on it. Another thing that can happen is that permission the tube. So you can run the startup file that I just ran over here in the location as an administrator. If your server doesn't start, check for Java issues, the port conflicts. And these are the most common issues that usually occur. And side you'll have a Java, your server running here, and you can perform all the application that you want to perform over here. If that helps, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the next video for GeoServer UI, workspaces, stores, layers, clear and simple guide.